High crunches are a variation of traditional crunches that emphasize the upper abdominal muscles. To perform them correctly, 1. Start position. Lie flat on your back on an exercise mat. Bend your knees so your feet are flat on the ground, about hip-width apart. Keep your lower back pressed gently into the floor. 2. Hand position. Extend your arms straight up toward the ceiling. Your palms should face each other or inward, keeping your arms fully extended throughout the movement. Do not interlock your fingers or place them behind your head. 3. Execution. Engage your core by tightening your abdominal muscles. Exhale and lift your upper back and shoulders off the ground, reaching your hands toward the ceiling. This should be a small, controlled lift. You're not trying to sit all the way up. Focus on contracting your abs as you lift. 4. Pumping motion. With each crunch, move your arms up and down in a small, quick pumping motion, just a few inches, while keeping them straight. Your hands should move vertically, staying aligned with your shoulders. Maintain the lift in your shoulders and upper back. 5. Return. Inhale and slowly lower your shoulders back down to the floor while keeping your arms extended. Repeat for 12 to 20 repetitions or as part of your ab workout. Keep movements controlled and avoid pulling with your neck or using momentum. Please check my next video.